Guys, stick tayo guys. Yan. Gagawa tayo ng yummy stick guys. Pulo spoon napi. Gagawa tayo guys ng stick. Wow, ang init. Wow, ang init guys. Wow. This is my stick guys. Okay. Ating stick guys, Diane stick, white sauce and mushroom and green pepper. Yes, oh wow. Wow. Well done ito guys ha. Wow, this is Leon and Diane stick, white sauce. Wow, this is oh, you see guys.
Tambay kayo naman.
Now I put vegetable one because now it's busy. No need to make more. Yan ang aking stick guys. This is my stick. Now I put sauce. Pepper sauce. Yes, decoration guys. Put decoration here. Wow, and then put little sauce on the top guys. See? Wow. And then I think. Baby, you see?
Yes. कम रखना चाहिए।
Wow. Ayan guys ha, ready na yung aking stick. Ganyan lang yung stick guys ha. Stick ko guys ha. Wow, you see? Oh, stick well done, ano ba? Bread basket tayo ah. Bread basket ang bibiyada. Ano ah? Sino naman tayo guys? Wow. Lagyan natin ng kaunti. Oregano guys. Guys, you see?
New French fries. Give me fresh bread basket. One new French fries. Yeah, one new.
Bye guys.
One new dark bread basket. Give me one new French fries.